Put your hands up, 'cause I ain't scared. I ain't scared.
Nah, homie, I ain't scared. But if you're running up on me, I'ma be prepared. Got my gloves on, something like a shadow boxer. And boy, I'ma knock it till you callin' a doctor. And even though that my mama told me not to, back against the wall, boy, I got to rock ya. Think you all lack, cause you're running the pack. I do my dirt up, I'm lonely, what you know about that? I'm a two-man band, me and my little brother, that's the plan. We hold down one another. Not everybody claiming colors, till they catch a buck 50, then they run and tell they mothers. But I thought it was about your set, till them boys from the projects came and caught wreck. I don't bang, but I can't respect. And yeah, you could bring it right here, 'cause I ain't scared.
I ain't scared of you. This is just something that we gotta go through. So boy, what you wanna do? Put your hands up, 'cause I ain't scared. I ain't scared. I ain't scared of you. This is just something that we gotta go through. So boy, what you wanna do? Put your hands up, 'cause I ain't scared. I ain't scared.
Nah, homie, I don't want no beef. But if you running up on me, hope you want your teeth. 'Cause I don't take no shorts and I'm all about peace. I'm a young child of God, I'm like the lightning thief. So if the kid wanna fight me, look him dead in his eye. No, I'm not gon' flinch and I'm not gon' cry. 'Cause when you're by yourself, he's a bunch of goody-goodies. And now you're all together and you wanna be bullies? Nah, homie, I don't think so. You just wanna blow any way the wind blow. You look inside your eyes like Eddie Winslow. You look kinda soft, so I'm stepping off. You're better off being the man of the cloth. Don't try to rob and steal, you ain't that real. Caps pill, you gon' squeal. Hear sirens, you spilling the beans. Now you flush down all your dreams, and you're sitting on a stand waiting for your team. But you can't find the cuz, now they snitching. You talk about your boy, now you off to prison. I try to tell you, but you ain't wanna listen. You kept saying that you was on a mission. Well, I hope you well prepared.